Hi, welcome to Botmatic demo. So this is the dashboard. As soon as customer is logged in, then he will see this particular dashboard. This is the place where he will just connect his Facebook account and Instagram account, and he can connect the bot by clicking on the this button, enable bot connection. So if we just enable it, the bot connection will be enabled for this particular page. So this is the place where he'll have to customize everything, like for example others his social media accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, Medium, Blogger, etc. And email autoresponders he can connect here. SMS APIs he need to configure here, and email APIs and the WooCommerce store for the e-commerce functionality. So and comment growth tools, this is the comment automation section. So whatever the for the post which is the automated, then customer can automatically respond to the messages. So he can maintain the templates here, custom templates. So I have just, so for this I just name it as the template name and just give the some comment whatever we want. And this is the reply template and campaigns. Here we create the automated campaigns for the automated comments. So for the latest post will appear here. If you just click here, you can just enable auto reply. So whenever a person interacts with your post, then automatically our bot will respond to the person who has commented or made a interaction with your post. So this is about the comment growth tools. And subscriber manager, whoever is subscribed on in your page, like whoever has interacted with your page, then those details will be added here, so you can visit and check it based on the pages. And the live chat option is for like whoever, if a customer is having this live chat option, and if somebody is on his page, he can directly start chatting with the customer on his page. And this is the bot manager. uh, this is the bot manager. Here we have, so for this particular page, like we can just check here. And for example, for building the flow, like just select the page and the bot flow builder, and I have a template already created. It just you can just drag and drop the elements here, and you can just connect it, and you can just build it. So the get started template is like if somebody pings either get started, hi, or hello, our bot gets triggered. So we'll see an example. Hosting review, the page is the hosting review page, hosting reviews page. I am just creating the new flow. Say I just get started. So it just gives the different options. So here we have get started, and it starts the bot flow, and we are having a carousel item. So we have three carousel items. We have three carousel items here. Likewise, he can just continue building the bot. And here is a place where the imported templates will be present, so he can just use it on any of the pages he wants. And this is the reseller panel. So he can create the his sub users and select the respective package. And this is the Botmatic template club. Yeah, this is a template club here we have. So once the customer gets the access, then he can access the Botmatic template club, which will be available every month, 10 templates. And this is the broadcasting section. So here we have different options for maintaining the contact. This here SMS and email, like subscriber broadcast one time, OTN is one time notification subscriber broadcast. This is specific to messenger. And SMS email broadcasting is for contact, like we can maintain the templates, and we can trigger any of the either of the campaigns, email or SMS. So here we can maintain the contacts. This is the opt-in form builder. It's a drag and drop opt-in form builder. So here the e-commerce store is the one where the customers can create the e-commerce store. Just with a click of a button, they can just create the e-commerce store. So they can just give the name, the page for which the e-commerce store needs to be built. He can select either physical or digital, the store name, everything he can select, and we have different options here. And he can just click on the create store and he will be done with that. And this is the WC integration is the one, the WooCommerce integration. If customer already has a WooCommerce store, then they can just connect the WooCommerce using the WooCommerce API. And social posting. So social posting has different options, like he can post to Facebook and Instagram poster, so he can instantly post or he can schedule the post. So this social poster is for different social media. So what we saw here, we have different social media. So using this social poster, he can post it immediately or he can just schedule the posting time later. And the search tools. So we have two simple options here. He can connect, like he can compare, the customers can compare two websites. It's not like by just entering the like the website names, he can just compare the between two websites. And the hashtag search, by connecting the Instagram account, say he can just search the trending hashtags. See, so I just entered digital marketing and it just gives the tags and posts regarding that particular hashtag. So this is all about Botmatic overall demo. Thank you.